The Relative Strength Index, or RSI indicator, is used to measure momentum. It shows how strongly price has been moving up or down over a selected period, and it presents that reading on a scale from 0 to 100. The purpose is not to predict the next candle. The purpose is to judge whether buying or selling pressure is strengthening, weakening, or becoming stretched. The standard RSI setting is commonly based on a 14-period lookback. This means the indicator is measuring recent gains and losses over that selected period and converting them into a momentum reading. A shorter length makes RSI more responsive, but it can also make the line more sensitive to noise. A longer length smooths the reading, but it may react more slowly when momentum changes. The main levels traders usually watch are 70, 50, and 30. A reading above 70 is often described as overbought, while a reading below 30 is often described as oversold. But these levels need context. Overbought does not automatically mean price has to fall, and oversold does not automatically mean price has to rise. In a strong trend, RSI can stay elevated or depressed for longer than expected. The 50 level is also important because it helps frame momentum direction. When RSI is holding above 50, bullish momentum is generally more active. When it is holding below 50, bearish momentum may be stronger. This can be useful when reading the broader trend. A market making higher highs while RSI holds above 50 often has a different message from a market struggling to move above that midpoint. RSI can also be used to identify momentum shifts. If the indicator moves out of an oversold area and begins to recover, it may suggest that downside pressure is starting to ease. If it moves down from an overbought area, it may suggest that upside momentum is starting to fade. The location of the move matters. A shift near the middle of the range may carry a different message from one that follows a stretched reading near an extreme. Divergence is another common way to read RSI. If price makes a higher high while RSI makes a lower high, bullish momentum may be weakening. If price makes a lower low while RSI makes a higher low, bearish pressure may be starting to fade. Divergence does not confirm a reversal by itself, but it can warn that the current move is losing strength. One of the indicator's main limitations is that it can react quickly in sideways or choppy markets. This can create signals that look meaningful at first, but do not lead to clear follow-through. For that reason, RSI is better used as a confirmation tool than as a standalone entry signal. In short, the RSI indicator is used to judge momentum, strength, and possible exhaustion. Used with trend direction, support and resistance, or broader price structure, it can add useful confirmation without being treated as a signal on its own.